Do you know Google AI Assistant can brainstorm ideas, write emails, analyze data, and even design presentations? That's the magic of Gemini AI. Let's unlock Gemini's potential within your favorite workspace apps. Gemini analyzes the context of your work within each app. For example, in Gmail, it can suggest email replies based on the content of the received message, so you can craft compelling emails faster. The AI can generate a project brief out of lengthy email correspondence and quickly convert it into docs, saving your time and effort. You may refine the content by adjusting its length, structure, and tone of voice. Gemini can help you with presentations by generating stunning visuals and design elements within slides. Always remember, the better your prompts, the better the results. Play around with the style to find one that fits best. Have you already tried Gemini? Share your thoughts in the comments. And try Google Workspace Project Management with Kanbanchi.